when multiplying radical expressions, we're just going to multiply our outsides and multiply our insides. It's that simple, except there is some simplifying afterwards almost always. Whoa. So we're going to multiply the 3 and the 4, and we're going to get 12. And then the 2 and the 10, and we're going to get 20. Okay, almost done, but we have to simplify this. So you can use the factor tree method if you want. And we've got 2 and 5. So we're going to take these two 2's out, and we're going to make it 1, 2. In other words, 2 and 2 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. So we're going to move the red 2 out, and then we're going to keep the, I don't want this to get confusing, the 12 out as well, and we're going to keep the red 5 inside. So now we get 24 square root of 5. You can simplify, then multiply, or you can multiply, then simplify. And sometimes, you want to avoid multiplying big numbers. You simplify, then multiply. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. So if I have 8, I know 4 times 10 is 40, and I'm going to multiply 2, and I know 2 times 25 is 50, and now I can go from there. I can take the square root of the 4, and I'm going to make it 2. So now I've got 8 times 2, square root of 10. Take the square root of 25, which is 5. So we've got 5 times 2, square root of 2, because that 2 we're keeping inside. Now I have 16 square root of 10, and then times 10 square root of 2. Now multiply my outsides, I get 160. Multiply my insides, 20. Okay, now we're at the point where we are familiar with, and that is just simplifying this. So we've got 160 on the outside. The square root of 4 is 2. And we get 320 square root of 5, and there's that one